Already familiar with volume boosting on Pump.fun? Want to take it to the next level? In this video, we'll show you advanced strategies to maximize your Pump.fun volume bot. We'll cover custom trade settings, risk management, and pro-level tactics to help you dominate the rankings and attract serious investors. Let's dive in. If you're serious about growing your token, it's not just about increasing volume, it's about doing it strategically. 1. Optimized buy and sell patterns. Adjust settings to simulate real market behavior. 2. Smart wallet distribution. Use multi-wallet strategies to make your token look widely adopted. 3. Dynamic trade frequency. Balance steady activity with randomized trade intervals. 4. Custom order sizes. Vary trade amounts to avoid detection and increase authenticity. 5. Advanced gas fee optimization. Execute trades when Solana gas fees are lowest for cost efficiency. The goal is to make volume look natural, attracting organic traders and whales. Here's how to fine-tune your bot's settings for the best results. 1. Trade frequency. Adjust how often trades execute to maintain steady volume growth. 2. Order size range. Set a realistic minimum and maximum trade amount. 3. Randomized delays. Prevents predictable patterns that could trigger red flags. 4. Multi-wallet transactions. Simulates natural token distribution. 5. AI-driven execution. Optimizes trade timing based on live market activity. A well-configured bot doesn't just boost volume, it creates market momentum. To stay ahead of the competition, implement these pro-level tactics. 1. Trend timing strategy. Increase trade volume during peak trading hours for maximum exposure. 2. Liquidity layering. Adjust buy and sell orders to gradually build liquidity without sharp spikes. 3. Flash volume surges. Short bursts of high activity can trigger FOMO and investor interest. 4. Periodic adjustments. Modify trade frequency every few days to maintain organic growth. 5. Risk management. Avoid overtrading by setting realistic volume limits to prevent suspicion. When used correctly, these strategies can push your token to the top of Pump.fun rankings. Even experienced traders make mistakes. Here's what to avoid. 1. Overloading volume too fast. Large spikes can look unnatural and raise red flags. 2. Ignoring market conditions. Adjust settings based on trending activity on Pump.fun. 3. Not using randomization. Predictable trades can make your volume look bot-generated. 4. Setting orders too small. Micro trades may not have enough impact on ranking algorithms. 5. Forgetting to monitor and adjust. Fine-tune settings regularly for maximum efficiency. Avoid these pitfalls, and your bot will work like a market-making powerhouse. Before you run your bot, ask yourself, am I balancing volume growth with realistic trading activity? Is my token appearing natural to organic investors? Have I optimized trade frequency and size for long-term growth? Am I making regular adjustments based on market trends? The right strategy can be the difference between just boosting volume and dominating Pump.fun. The Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot is more than just a trading tool, it's the key to strategic AI-driven trading execution, realistic, natural-looking volume growth, higher rankings and organic investor attention, complete control over your token's market performance. Ready to dominate Pump.fun? Optimize your bot strategy today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert crypto trading tips. Check out our related videos, linked on the screen now. See you in the next video.